Hello, this is Genevieve with Belladonna Moonbeams, and I'm coming to you for the week of June 29th, 2020 through July 5th, 2020, which is an exciting week because we have a holiday, 4th of July. Woohoo! I hate fireworks, okay? But I like holidays. So today we're going to start out by looking at the Crystal Angels Oracle cards. This is a Doreen Virtue Oracle card. And it says artwork by Marius Michael George. So this has answered that question we've been asking for a few weeks of whether Doreen actually did her own artwork or if she commissioned it. Apparently she commissioned it, but it's still amazing artwork. And this is for Tauruses. So what do Tauruses need to hear? What do Tauruses need to hear? What do Tauruses need to hear? And we get Calcite. Calcite says it's busy time and multitasking. So even though we're in a holiday week, I think we feel overwhelmed and we have a lot of things going on. So we need to take control of our schedule this week and make sure that we don't overextend ourselves. Now we're going to look at the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. What do Tauruses need to hear? What do Tauruses need to hear? What do Tauruses need to hear? So the first card that I get, is the Five of Pentacles. And the Five of Pentacles reversed. So when you see the Five of Pentacles, this means that you're feeling you see these people, I'm going to turn it upside down so I can show it to you. You see these people walking along and they're freezing and they've got each other for warmth, but they don't have a whole bunch of people around them or whatever. And there's this warm church they're passing, but they're not aware of it. So what that means, Taurus, is that we're feeling left out. We're feeling like we're alone and things aren't going our way, but we're not looking around and thinking outside the box. And it's time we start thinking outside the box. The next card we get is the Three of Pentacles. And the Three of Pentacles is all about getting credit for our work and things like that. So I don't think we've been feeling as if we're getting credit for our work because it was upside down. So this shows that we're not feeling like we're getting what we need and we're not getting credit. And our final card is the Eight of Swords. And the Eight of Swords is all about feeling bound up. It might be that we literally don't have control over what's going on, or it could be we just don't feel like we have control over what's going on. We're not getting the credit we want. We're not getting what we think we should be getting, and we're feeling all caught up. So what I think we need to do is sit back and evaluate our choices. And that's why we're being given these less than perfect cards to tell us that we have been feeling bound up, we've been feeling caught, and it's not all about that, and we do have choices. Now I'm going to pull a card from Cheryl Richardson's self-care cards, and these cards are all about how to take care of yourself this week. What do Tauruses need to hear? What do Tauruses need to hear? What do Tauruses need to hear? And the card we get is choice. So once again, it's saying reconsider a commitment, and we always have the right to change our minds and make choices. So I think that goes back to these cards even, where we're feeling bound and feeling like we don't have a choice, but we do have choices. But we have to choose those choices, and we have to think outside the box this week. And we also have to take control of our schedule for the part of that, which means just saying no. When someone says, can you do something? Like, can we have a cookout at your house on the 4th? And you're already overwhelmed. The answer is no, 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 no. But unless you want to have a cookout at the 4th, but that's your choice. And this week, I'm also going to use this really cool crystal ball. And I have a crystal ball collection, just like I have a tarot card collection. But this is one I've never used, so I actually cleansed it today, put in it through incense and things like that, so that it might give us answers. So the first thing I see is mica. And then I also see a butterfly. And I see a triangle. Well, actually, I see like an isosceles triangle. So mica is a stone, and it's very shimmery and shiny, but it's got all these little layers. It's really pretty. But basically, it's saying to stop and look. Look inside and figure out your answer. A butterfly is oftentimes used to show that change is coming. And I think that change is coming. I think this card is saying to make a choice. So that could mean change, because you're feeling all caught up and you're feeling taken advantage of, just like no one's paying attention to you or giving you credit for what's right. And the triangle, I think, is saying, or I believe, well, no, the triangle is saying, saying that there are more than one side to this. I mean, not just, it's like a triangle. So there's 3 sides to that decision, or 2 sides or whatever, and you have to find the right side for you. This is about you this week, Taurus. You have to find for yourself what you need to do. So Tauruses, you have a good week. I'll see you next week. Namaste.